Feel alright. It is Saturday and we are heading to Peterborough, the Golden Horse. We are about to have dinner. I am so excited. I don't think I brushed my eyebrows properly. So these gaps are right. I don't know. Also, maybe I should go back and touch them up and let's do that. Okay, my eyebrows are looking better now. They're giving wolf. Let me show you my outfits. Hopefully the lighting won't be as bad. Wait, let me turn my... So this is my outfit. It is a bit chilly outside, hence the turtleneck. Got this traditional cuff, rings. Don't mind the dirty mirror. I need to sort that out ASAP. But this is my look. Okay, the lighting is a bit better here. I don't know, maybe I should pop the ring lights while we wait for our transport. Let me do that. Can you see my outfit? Can you see my outfit? No, I'm not so sure about the lights. Why am I struggling for life? Let's turn it up to the side. Let's try. Wow. This is it. I can't say the clothes are a bit too much, but at the same time, I don't like how many clothes are conveying, like outfit, feelings about. But for now, I stay in the girls' house. You know what I mean? We feel arrived. Yeah, so cool. My battery is almost out. 30 seconds.